line, keep it steady.
All right, easy now, taking the strain. Looks good from here, all clear.
Reading 50 on the main strap.
Check the forward skid mount again, it looks loose.
Vibration levels holding steady at the main rotor. Foam block secure. Copy that. Keep monitoring the tail clearance.
See the stress fracture right here? Mark that one too.
Got it. That makes 5 spots on the tail boom alone. Main rotor removal kit is complete.
And the bins are labeled according to the checklist.
Perfect, let's move to the blades.
Final bolt coming out.
Taking the weight with the crane now. Clear to move right.
Affirmative, moving right. Watch the racks.
Okay, lift on your side.
Heavy. All right, it's clear.
Hand me the snap ring pliers, let's check the run out on that gear. Just a little more pressure on your side.
Got it, it's clear.
All right, the last hinge pin is out. Okay, lift slowly. It feels heavy on my end.
This one's really tight.
Keep going, I think it's moving now.
Clear on this side, how about yours? Clear. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
Ready? Let's lift slowly together.
Steady, steady. Clear on this side. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Got it, watch your back.
popping free. Watch your fingers. All right, I'll guide it down.
Let's check the welds with a UV lamp now.
Found one right there at the joint.
Okay, the bore scope confirms significant sand ingestion on the first stage compressor blades. See the pitting here?
All right, push from this side.
Steady, steady. Make sure the dolly is locked.
Torque wrench ready.
Confirmed. Sequence complete on the core assembly.
Sealant applied. Ready to mate the casing.
All right, I'll pass the bolts.
Start with the sequence.
Igniter plug is seated.
High tension cable connected. Circuit reads complete.
Torque settings checked, 200 inch-pound.
Confirmed. Sequences A, B, C, then D.
Confirmed pitting on the gear teeth. We have to replace the module.
Final sweep complete. It is perfect.
Noted. Engine certified.
How does that look on your side? Is the clearance sufficient?
Just a little more to the left. Okay, that should clear the fuel line.
We need the 5,000 shim on the forward mount.
Okay, installing now. The feeler gauge shows proper alignment.
Verified. All right, the pre-assembly verification is complete. Everything's signed off and ready for the build phase. All right, keep turning it steady. We're looking for that run out spec.
Right there?
Yeah, that's within tolerance. Go ahead and prep the next bearing.
That's the final torque click. Ready to check the pitch.
Clear. Full range of motion achieved.
We need to align this perfectly with the mast, just a little to the left.
All right, easy now. Tell me when we're centered.
Easy now, just a little lower. Watch the mounts.
All right, it's aligned. I'm starting the sequence.
Watch the clearance on the firewall. Bring it down another inch.
Copy that. Steady, steady.
It's seated.
Fuel lines are tight. How are the looms looking?
Secured. Let's align the drive shaft now.
All right, easy now.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear. Bring it down slowly.
Bring her down slowly. Clear on this side.
Okay, engaging the torque wrench now. 3 clicks.
Solid. Retract the jacks.
Aligning now. Easy, easy.
Okay, insert the bolt.
Hitting it with the torque wrench.
Make sure the seal is tight on the bottom edge.
It's seated properly. Hand me the next strip.
Here you go. Make sure the torque is set to the manufacturer's spec.
Already done. 3 clicks on this one.
Good. Let's test the seat mount rigidity.